This is a message from the government of the Republic of China. Since we know you don't like the word China, you can just call us Taiwan.
From this day forward, it's going to be only America first.
Okay, we understand. But can it be Taiwan number 2? We're way better than Thailand. They can't even spell Thai. Sad. We are friendly people from Asia. We're right over here. We help make your iPhones. They're great. This is Thailand's tallest building. Pathetic. This is ours. It's called a Taipei 101. It's huge. We hear you also have a big tower. We should put them next to each other to compare height and girth. Now yours might be bigly, but ours is at least above average. China is okay. They built an okay wall, but it's not great. We're really smart. We built a wall made out of water on 4 sides of Taiwan to keep out the Mexican children, Mexican professionals, Mexican mechanics, Mexican nerds, Mexican artisanal weavers, Mexican boats, and ISIS. This is stinky tofu. We like to give it to white people and watch them make faces. It's great. We know you're BFFs with Putin, but he's an 8 at best. Our president is at least an 8.5. Her name is Tsai Ing-wen, and she's a girl, which probably means she has girl parts. We don't know for sure. We haven't checked. Who knows? But she does have a pussycat. Its name is Think Think. You should call her. Not the cat. Taiwan's president. She's probably waiting by the phone. She'll tell you herself we're number 2. This is our national bird, the blue magpie. It's called that because it's blue, and also a magpie. It's majestic, but not like your bald eagle. You're very rich. We know this because there's all sorts of luxury brands for sale at Trump Palace. And also because you've told us many times.
I'm really rich.
But we'd like you to know that we matter too. Taiwan also has many fancy stores. In fact, we are so rich and important that in addition to having the world's fastest elevator, yeah, the fastest, we have so much money, we literally just burn it in the streets. It's true, ask anyone. You have spring break where young people go crazy, have fun, and stare at each other's butts. It's great. What are they doing? Taiwan also has spring break. All of our people have chiseled bodies, and our hands are larger than average. It's totally true. Very large hands. At night, everyone goes crazy. Almost no one wears clothes. It's like the dressing room of the Miss America pageant. Everyone likes crowds, but we have some of the greatest crowds. Crowds of people, crowds of scooters, so many scooters. We all have them. They're great. Some people have 2 or 3 scooters, okay? We also have the best scooter accidents. You can watch them on YouTube. It's okay, folks. We have health insurance. No, really, all of us have health insurance. An x-ray costs like $12 US here. It's great. Our politicians don't get along either.
Tough is it to take property from an elderly woman?
Let me talk. Quiet.
But instead of arguing like sissies, they just beat the crap out of each other and throw stuff. It's totally fun. It's kind of like the WWE. Americans are so great and tough. He even made a movie about tough American cowboys. You would like it. You and Mike Pence should watch it together.
I wish I knew how to quit you.
Also, please don't trade us to China for a deal on those red hats or something. We're totally on board with this America first thing. But can we just say Taiwan number 2, maybe? Great.
Taiwan number 1!
America first.
Taiwan number...
America first.